do want to officially welcome you and thank you for joining us here today in Verona to mark the official start of the construction of our new outpatient center. Although you can see there's already been some work going on and very exciting. I want to express our gratitude to our elected officials, the team from the city of Verona, our architect and design partners from Kaler Slater, and the team from our general contractor, J.P. Cullen. So thank you all. I want to recognize the support of our SSM Health board members, and I know our board chair is here today, so thank you, Wes. And of course, everyone from SSM Health, which includes our construction and building team, our various primary care and specialty services team members, our finance, information technology, continuous improvement, and marketing and communications teams. It really does take a village to raise a new building, so thank you all. Our tradition at SSM Health is to start each gathering with a brief moment of reflection to center ourselves for the task at hand and to express our gratitude. I want to invite Chaplain Susan Lee to now lead us in a reflection.
Let us enter into a moment of prayer and thanksgiving. Spirit of life and love, be with us on this special occasion. We ask today for courage, compassion, and cooperation among all of us as we continue in the next phase of this building expansion project. We come to this day after many days of planning and discussion with more good work to continue. Surround all those who have envisioned this outpatient center with knowledge and skill as we move forward. Spirit of life and love, we give thanks for those who have done this work and for the help that we have been blessed with. May we continue this effort. We give thanks today for the generous spirits of our financial supporters. Because of their compassionate giving, others will have access to excellent health care. As we move forward, may we be awed by our human capacity to create, grateful for the space we promise to use with dignity and purpose. As we watch this expansion come into reality, may we never lose sight of our mission to provide exceptional healthcare service, which reveals the healing presence of God. Amen, and so may it be.
Jason Craig, our Vice President for our medical group operations across all of Wisconsin. So, Jason.
Just telling Sue I didn't fall, that's an accomplishment. Good afternoon. Welcome, all of you. On behalf of SSM Health, we couldn't be happier to have all of you joining us here today to launch our new outpatient center and to celebrate such an important milestone. Today marks more than the start of construction. It demonstrates the continuation of our mission to bring exceptional, compassionate care closer to where people live and raise their families. When completed, this facility will reflect the character and spirit of Verona, vibrant, growing, and innovative. Among all the very important elements this project will deliver, the core purpose remains, serving the growing needs of the thriving community here in Verona, as well as the greater metropolitan area. With its addition, we will be able to offer greater access for more timely care when and where our patients need it. Of course, any significant endeavor requires a team of dedicated experts. This new outpatient center would not be possible without the efforts of so many who have dedicated to making this new facility an exceptional place for patients to receive care, as well as an exceptional place for our caregivers to work. First, I want to thank the people of Verona for placing your trust in our care at SSM Health. Today's event would not happen without your belief in that care. I want to also thank our SSM Health Board of Directors, our regional sponsors, and our entire leadership team for their support of our vision to build this new center. I want to recognize all of the incredible SSM Health caregivers and team members who have been working together to make the experience for patients as thoughtful, effective, and seamless as possible. Finally, I'd like to thank the people who are already working so hard on this facility to bring it to life. Our facilities, construction, and tradespeople who put their time, energy, and effort into bringing this structure to life. As I mentioned before, a project of this size requires expertise and dedication from all the partners involved. One of those partners we have the privilege of working with on this project is the architectural firm Kaler Slater. They've been instrumental in bringing our vision for the center and our new facility in Sun Prairie to life. At this point, I'd like to invite Al Krieger from Kaler Slater to share some of the unique features of this facility.
Thank you, Jason. I do appreciate the relationship that we've enjoyed for a long time, and from Kaler Slater's perspective, all of us here at Kaler Slater, and I'm standing in for Melinda, who can't be here today because of some travel, but I'm happy to represent the design team here and to share in Melinda's words some of our perspective. So I'll start with SSM Health's investment in Verona, where the city proudly lives by the motto, "It's a vibe," brings high quality healthcare to a community experiencing rapid and sustained growth. That's exciting. This new 37,000 square foot outpatient center spans 2 stories. It will offer primary and specialty care services, and it's a testament to what's possible when architecture is guided by empathy, innovation, and collaboration. We set out to design more than a clinic here. We envisioned a restorative environment where every element, from daylight to acoustics to workflow and wellness, supports healing and the human connection each to one another. True to SSM Health's mission, this project reflects a deep commitment to sustainability and operational excellence. Designed with energy efficiency and WELL certification as key drivers for success, the building integrates evidence-based design strategies that support the health and well-being of everyone who enters here. From improved indoor air quality and ergonomic workspaces to abundant natural light and views of nature, every detail was considered to enhance comfort and care. Strategically nestled in this landscape, the center marks the beginning of Verona's expansion to the south. It honors SSM Health's established design language while embracing the spirit of place. You'll see that reflected in the interior of the building with movement-inspired graphics and wayfinding that also draw inspiration from the trails we hike here, the rivers we paddle, and the landscapes we love. This building is designed to reflect the energy, vitality, and natural beauty of Verona, and we can't wait for you to experience how the space truly embodies the city's vibe. Thanks to all of you. Thank you for having us. Thanks for your partnerships, and congratulations as we celebrate today.
Appreciate the kind words. As all of you know, of course, architects work hand in glove with the build team. We couldn't be happier to be partnering with JP Cullen on this outpatient center. And at this point, I'd like to invite Nick Hare, the project manager from JP Cullen, to share a few words. Nick.
Thank you, Jason. I'd just like to quickly say thank you to quite a few people, but specifically on the design and building partners that are here today and that are on this journey with us starting today. Kaler Slater, IMEG, Ayers and Associates, Grafe, Hooper Corporation in 1901, and especially SSM Health. Thank you. It does take a strong team to turn a vision into a reality. We at JP Cullen have a reputation for establishing and nurturing those key partnerships, really in order to build environmentally responsible, energy efficient, and cost-effective projects. Working with such like-minded partners is always a very highly rewarding experience, especially for me. Together, we look forward to creating the healthcare center in Verona. For Verona, it will maximize sustainability, provide the operational efficiency, and be a beautiful addition to the community that I'm fortunate enough to call my home as well. So with that, thank you.
We want to express our appreciation for the great partnership with the City of Verona. The members of the Common Council, the Planning Commission, Mayor Luke Diaz, and everyone on their teams have welcomed us and offered their assistance as we embarked on this build together. I'd like to invite Mayor Diaz forward to share his thoughts about what this project means for Verona. Mayor.
I want to formally welcome SSM Health to Verona. This new facility is going to provide healthcare to Verona residents and beyond, and the facility will also provide jobs and a key project for the city south of 151. Truly a win-win for both our community and SSM Health. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. At this point, I'm going to hand it back off to Sue Anderson, who will provide our closing comments for today. Sue.
Great. Thank you, Jason, and thank you all for being here to mark this occasion. and I'm definitely feeling the vibe. I live in Verona as well, so I'm very excited about this project. Not very far from my house, so I can imagine coming over here to receive services from our team. So we're truly blessed to be among such friends in a vibrant community as Verona, to celebrate another milestone in service to our mission to provide exceptional health care. We appreciate all the efforts of so many of you here today. Thanks to you, we will be able to keep our communities healthy and thriving well into the future. Now we're going to take a few ceremonial photos next, and when we finish, you'll all have an opportunity to step in and help us dig in to build our new Verona Outpatient Center